members in the club will be formally inducted, and they will be given some idea about the club by Toastmaster Vipul. So let's welcome our president, our organized and our change manager, uh, Toastmaster Vipul Chaudhary, as the induction officer for new members.
Thank you, distinguished Toastmaster Ashish Kumar Banwal. I am still yet to come out of those dishes to introduce and install the new members. But Electronic City Toastmaster Club is really proud to have five new members in the club in this term since July till September. And their names are Toastmaster Preeti uh, Biswakarma, Toastmaster Anand Radhakrishnan, Toastmaster Sudhakar, Toastmaster Sairam Parthasarthi, and Toastmaster Vikas Pandey. These members have joined us in Electronic City Club in recent time, in the last couple of months. We welcome them to this club. They have already started their journey, but today we are doing an installation ceremony for all the members. How this process will work, I'll just brief everybody because this involves both the new members and the members of the club as part of the process. In the process, I will first call upon the new members and ask them to take oath. They need to say, yes, I do, if they agree. Then I'll ask the members of the club to help and support them. If they agree, they have to say, yes, we do. And finally, the new members are installed in the club. Hope the process is clear. Let me start the process. So before I start, I think we have Toastmaster Preeti and Toastmaster Anand. Are you clear on the process?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Sure. So let me start. Membership in Toastmaster is a privilege, and the only way to gain the benefits of program is to actively participate. Do you, Toastmaster Preeti, Toastmaster Anand, and on behalf of other members of Joint, promise to attend meetings regularly, to prepare all my speeches to the best of my ability, basing them on projects of pathway manuals, to prepare to fulfill meeting assignments, to provide fellow members with helpful, constructive evaluations, to help the club maintain the positive, friendly environment necessary for all members to learn and grow, to serve my club as an officer when called upon to do so, to treat my fellow members and our guests with respect and courtesy, to bring guests to club meetings so they can see the benefits of Toastmaster membership offers, to adhere to the guidelines and rules for all Toastmasters educational and recognition programs, to maintain honest and highly ethical standards during the conduct of all Toastmasters activity. I ask the new members, do they agree?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Let me now call upon the members of the club to take an oath. Do you, the members of the Electronic City Toastmaster Club, promise to support the new members as they work the Toastmasters program? Do you?
Yes, we do.
Yes, yes, we do.
Thank you for your support. Club, it is our pleasure to declare the new members installed as the members of Electronic City Toastmaster Club. Can we give a round of applause for all the new members who have joined today as installed? We wish you all the best in your journey, and your installation ceremony and the education session has happened at the right movement. I believe it's at the right time, at the right place, at the right meeting. So hopefully that has given you some insights as well. What should be your next steps? With that, I'd like to hand it over to the MOC of today, distinguished Toastmaster Ashish, to take the meeting forward.
Thank you so much, Vipul. Thank you so much. And I hope that this induction session will definitely trigger